Hi, I'm Justin Red Fernandez from Junior High School of Compostela East. Do you know on how to solve mathematical problem using graphing calculator? It's simple. Just sit, watch, and enjoy.
For this episode, I'm gonna share with you one statistical problem which is related to the linear regression and correlation. The number of hours that a student studies for a final examination is related to the score they will receive on final exam. We will find the linear regression equation and correlation coefficient. Step 1. Entering data into list. Press the Stat button. Highlight the Edit option using the arrows and hit Enter. Choose a list from list 1 to 6 using the arrows and enter the values by column. The list 1 hours studied by a student is the independent variable. 3. Enter. 5. Enter. 8. Enter. 6. Enter. 2. Enter. 4. Enter. And lastly 7. Enter. The list 2 exam score of the student, which is the dependent variable. 55. Enter. 65. Enter. 93. Enter. 71. Enter. 46. Enter. 62. Enter. Step 2. Creating a scatter plot. Press the second button and the Y equals button to access the Stat Plot menu. Scroll to the plot you want, and this is probably plot 1. Highlight on and press Enter. You can choose type of your graph, your marker, and your color. After you choose, you have to press the graph button. If you don't see anything like this, you will have to edit your graph bounds by editing the window options. You can change the boundaries by pressing the window button and changing the mean and max values for the x and y variables. The mean will be 1. Enter. And the max will be 20. For the y variable, the mean will be 30 and the max will be 100. And press graph and you will see the graph. Step 3. Getting the correlation coefficient and the regression equation. You won't get the correlation coefficient until you turn on diagnostics. You only have to do this once. Here's how. Press second, then 0 to access the catalog menu. Scroll down to Diagnostics on, use Alpha and press D, and then scroll down to Diagnostics on. Press Enter. Press Enter again. You should get a message that says Done. Getting the correlation coefficient and the regression equation. Press the Stat button. Highlight the CALC option using the arrows and hit Enter. Highlight for linreg AX plus B and hit Enter. After this, you will go to Calculate and hit Enter. And this is the result. The correlation coefficient and regression equation.
While computers and tablets have made research and math tasks easier for students, there's no replacement for using this calculator since it is handy and you can use it everywhere.